Assalamu alaikum, girls. Today we are going to discuss about how to enter commands in KTurtle. So please open page number 30. We have earlier discussed the control panel and about the different options which are available in the menu of the KTurtle. So see, notice the KTurtle in the middle of the canvas. You have to notice the KTurtle in the middle of the canvas. So where is the KTurtle? This one. Okay. This they are talking about this KTurtle. Okay, click inside the editor pane after number 1 and type the first command. We are going to know how to learn the commands, how to enter the commands. Click inside the enter pane after number 1 and type the first command as shown in figure 3.4. So you have to go. Now press enter on the keyboard. The cursor move on the next line and now enter the rest of the commands. After each command, remember to press enter. So click run button on the toolbar or click the run menu on the run option. So you can go here on the run option also and click run, and you have and see on your keyboard you have a F5 key. So you can you have three options. You have run on the toolbar also, so you can press run on the toolbar. This run, you can press this run on the toolbar. You can add this. Now you can press the run menu also. This one is the run menu, and the third option is the F5 key. So you can use the F5 key also. Now save the set of instructions or commands by the file name square. Saving a program. How to save a program? That is very easy. Saving a program. To save a program, do the following. Click the save button. Where is the save button? Click the save button on the toolbar or click on the toolbar file and then save as. So when you click on this save as, here is the option save as, then this is the button save. When you click on this save or you click on file plus save as, a dialog box appears. This dialog box appears, this one, and you have to click here save, and then your document is saved. Okay, you have to first you have to select the the um, the drive in which you have to select the drive and the folder and the name of the file, and then you have to press the save button. So where do you have to select the drive? Here you have to select the drive, here you have to select the folder, and then you have to write the name of the file here, and then now you have to click the save button. Understand? You will notice that the save program has turned to the extension turtle. Now the extension of the save folder becomes save turtle. What is the function of each command? Now they are going to explain the function of the command. Now top tip, the save as command is used to save the file with a different file name with the same name. With a different name, whereas the save command, actually when you want to change the name of the file, you have to use the option save as. But if you want to save the file with the same name, you have to use the option save. Understand? You have to, when you are going to open the dialog box for the first time, the save as option appears, and then this is gone. The save option appears only the next time. Now we are going to learn about the type of commands. The FW command or forward command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. You also need to type alongside the number of the steps you want the turtle to move. If you want to move the turtle 170 steps, you have to type 170 and the turtle will move how many steps? 170 steps. Okay, and draw a straight line like this, straight line. And the TR or turn right commands turns the head of the turtle towards the right. So if you want to turn the head of the turtle towards the right like this, okay, what you have to do, you have to add the number of degrees you want the turtle to turn. Where while turning the turtle, it turns but it stays on the same position. It is not going to go, it is not going to go forward, and it is not going to go backward. It is just going to turn. Okay, for example, the command turn right 90 or TR90 turns the turtle by 90 degrees on the right. Understand? 90-degree means the side is changed. Okay. Similarly, we have two more commands, BW and TL. BW commands is actually, you can, now we are talking about the BW command. You can even command the turtle to go backwards. The BW means backward commands, and it is used to move the turtle into the direction backward. For example, the command BW60 will move the turtle 60 60 step backwards. Understand? These are the different commands. The TL, now the TL command, we are going to study about the BW means the backward command, and the TL command means the turn left command. The turn left command, it turns the head of the turtle towards the left. Again, while turning, the turtle rotates but stays at the same place. For example, TL100 turns the turtle by 100 degrees to the left. The command TL360 or TR360, it will move completely to the, it will become a circle, and then it will become on the same point. Okay,